This video will explain what is Google Ads. Google Ads is a paid advertising system created by Google. It allows businesses to show their ads on Google search, shows ads on YouTube, show ads on websites and apps. In simple words, Google Ads helps businesses to reach people who are already looking for their products or services. Why do people use Google Ads? People use Google Ads to get more customers, get more website visits, get more phone calls, and increase sales quickly. Unlike free methods, Google Ads gives a faster result. Now we will see how Google Ads work. Step 1. Business creates a Google Ads account. A business signs up for Google Ads, adds business details, sets up payment information. This account is where all ads are created and managed. Step 2. Business chooses a goal. A goal means what business wants. Common goals are website visits, phone calls, store visits, and online sales. Google Ads uses this goal to decide how to show the ad. Step 3. Business chooses keywords. A keyword is a word or sentence people type into Google. For example, plumber near me, buy laptop online, best coaching center. The ad will show only when someone searches for these words. Step 4. Business writes an ad. An ad is the message people see. A simple ad includes headline, which is main text, description, which is extra details, website link or phone number. The ad explains what the business offers. Step 5. Business sets a budget. The budget is how much money you want to spend. Important points. You choose a daily budget. You can start with a small amount. You can change or stop anytime. There is no fixed minimum amount. Step 6. User searches on Google. Now the customer action begins. A user types something into Google, like mobile repair shop near me. This search tells Google what the user wants. Step 7. Google runs an ad auction. An ad auction is a quick comparison process. Google checks which businesses choose that keyword, how useful their ads are, how much they are willing to pay. This happens in less than 1 second. Step 8. Google shows the best ads. Google shows the most relevant, the most useful, and the most trustworthy ads. Ads usually appear at the top of the search page or at the bottom of the search page. Step 9. Businesses pays only when someone clicks. This is very important. In most cases, you do not pay when the ad is shown. You pay only when someone clicks the ad. This system is called pay per click. Now we will see what is pay per click. Pay per click means you pay only when someone clicks your ad, not when people just see the ad. This helps control spending. What makes an ad perform better? Google prefers ads that match the keyword closely, are clear and useful, send users to good website, load fast and work properly. Paying more money alone does not guarantee the success. Google Ads offers different ad types. First one is search ads, which is text ads on Google search. Second one is display ads, which is image ads on websites. Third one is video ads, ads on YouTube. Fourth one is shopping ads, which is product ads with price. Fifth one is app ads, ads for mobile apps. Beginners usually start with search ads. Is Google Ads safe for beginners? Yes, if used carefully. Important safety points. Set a small budget. Choose relevant keywords. Check results regularly. Pause ads if something goes wrong. You are always in control. Who should use Google Ads? Google Ads is useful for small businesses, local shops, service providers, online sellers, freelancers, and large companies. Anyone who wants more visibility can use it. The summary is Google Ads is a step-by-step advertising system where businesses choose keywords, create ads, set a budget, and pay mainly when people click their ads on Google.